Hi everyone, so we are at the boat. Amelia found her spot. We've got here, we're waiting for the high tide so we can actually see if the engines run, which should be fun. So the tide's coming in at the So we are going to try and run the engines to see if they work. So fingers crossed. Big bonus if they did. Engine room.
Need some more windows in there, don't it?
We just need light.
Some ventilation.
Oh yeah, it's
Some
If you clean the windows, you will work more light in there.
Yeah. First job.
Just check out the bed.
If the winds are clean it out.
Is that your charger or is that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, you put the answer on.
Yeah, no.
There's an alarm going off upstairs now. That's
just
because
connected
they've
it.
connected the battery on. I'll put the ignition keys in first and fire up.
Is it gonna run?
I don't know. The torch has gone flat.
I know, the battery keeps...
Oh, I've got them all.
A little look at the engine. Nice waterfall. Oh shit. I thought I was going to fall through a hole then. I think we're mad, to be honest. I think it's a bit of an undertaking, but that's what Simon wants to do. I just say yeah, go do what you want. But hopefully it'll keep him happy for a while. Shit. It's like you actually walk around it and you see the size of it and you see how big it is and you sort of go, oh fuck. But I don't know. I've never said no to the crazy stuff he wants to do, so to me it's not a boat. To me it's a static caravan. It's somewhere where we can go over weekends and take the family and stuff. I think I'd shit myself if he actually wanted to take it somewhere on the water. In they come.
See, that's the heat kicked in now.
Yeah.
So, 1, 2. Put the ignition on, mate.
Yeah.
You're right on side, yeah?
So you stand here and shout up to me if there's a problem, okay?
Okay.
The torch.
And are you okay?
7, 8, 9.
started straight away, to be honest. So they're just messing around with the second one now. So obviously I don't understand engines and stuff, but they're running upstairs to the wheelhouse to switch the ignition on and back down and trying to crank it or whatever. But no, one of them runs. So sure the other one will be up, hopefully, up and running in a little minute. See what happens. Oh, I think they've just killed the ignition on that first engine. Engines run, princess! What? The engine. What did you think? Yeah. There's just no fire.
Yeah. Did that crank there when I
It
pressed
did,
that?
yeah.
Okay.
It did crank.
Which one?
I don't know, I'll study her.
Just ask it. I don't mind. Did you crank it? Oh.
I'm not sure the forward. It's that way.
What, sir?
Full throttle.
Oh, yeah,
Fuel
no, RPMs, yeah. That sounds beautiful, man.
See, once the
And then
engines are
like-
warmed up a bit, half an hour running, yeah, to quieten down.
Yeah.
It's because the diesel knock off.
Obviously, I'll take it out again.
Like you go out there and listen to that, you're like, oh, everyone here now.
Oh, would they be pissed off with that?
No, they'll just say, like, they'll be saying, you've been running them engines again.
At least we're doing it at a normal time.
Well, I done it at 12 o'clock at night. Then I trying to move it to level, so.
That sounds a lot better.
Yeah. Don't know why that other one took a bit longer to start. Usually both of them are on the button, but it's been freezing.
It sounds a lot, right? So, obviously when it starts first time.
Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, good luck pushing this one. Like.
So it runs?
So there you go. You can take it out, put it in gear now.
Come on, Steve, let's go. we need to test drive the boat.
Oh, well, no, that, yeah. Our first outing.
I'll be in a dinghy or I'll come back with my fisher. If you're going to take it out for test drive, I'll come with you in another boat to watch it.
What, the Coast Guard boat?
The towing vessel. They call me tugboat Steve, and there's a reason for that.
Is that?
I'm always towing people around.
She runs. She runs, Meals. Where are we going? Yeah. That's a bonus. The engines both work. A bit loud, but a bit rattly. But it works. Did we run out of fuel?
Plenty of fuel in them tanks.
Oh, it smells nice. What do you think?
Nice and warm down here.
I think,
You can sleep between the engines when they're running.
that's where the immigrants, I mean the passengers go.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll disconnect the batteries and
Yeah. And then we'll do a go and do the business, eh?
yeah, I've got to close both seacocks now while we're filthy.
Let's do it, yeah.
And disconnect one
Yeah, just one leave off.
the what? Because I
It's raining. Inside. So, ooh shit, so scared of slipping. So as you can see, it's not in the best spot to be worked on, but challenge accepted.